our vlog. I'm Kamal Sharas and this is my group. Hi, I'm Sharifah.
Hi, I'm here. I'm Uma.
Today we want to make bubble allergies, slime and water filtration. First, we want to make bubble allergies.
Now we will tell you the step, tool, and ingredients.
We need sunlight, rose brand syrup, and glycerin. First, put water and detergent into the basin.
For the second, we put water, detergent, and glycerin.
Glycerin. And this is glycerin.
The third, we need glycerin and sirup jago. Or we can take it.
We have to put water too in this dirt tissue. Okay, so first we want to try this, the water with detergent. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start. No, this first. Wow! This is so neat. The second we want to try is water, detergent, and glycerin. Wow! It's perfect. And for the third, we want to try the basin with water, detergent,